Have you looked at beautiful woven wall hangings on Instagram and Pinterest and thought, whoa, they are amazing, but there is no way I could make something like that? Well, I'm going to show you a way to make these super cute mini weaves that is perfect for a total beginner. Plus, it doesn't involve you investing in specialist weaving supplies. Over a 3-day workshop, I'll teach you how to make and warp a mini cardboard loom. Then make the sweetest pattern with just 2 basic weaving techniques. And lastly, how to take this little baby off the loom and hang it up with a chopstick or a twig. So does this sound like something you'd like to give a try? I think this is a really fun workshop to get the kids involved with too. And wouldn't these make the most gorgeous handmade Christmas gifts? So to take part in my free online workshop and to get a list of the supplies so that you're all ready to go, click on the link. This workshop won't be run again until well into next year, so if you want to learn to make these little mini weaves for free, now's the time.